Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from module 3 which is based on superconductivity. So the question is, for a superconducting sample with critical temperature 7.2 Kelvin and critical field at 0 Kelvin is 6.5 into 10 to the power 4 ampere meter. Find the critical field at 4 Kelvin. So this is the expression which is given here. Before going to the expression, we have to understand the statement of this expression. So it shows the relationship between the critical magnetic field and temperature is given by the parabolic relation. This is the parabolic relation which is given here. So now understand the term which is given in this expression. First one is HC of T, which is nothing but the critical magnetic field at temperature T. HC of 0, it means it shows the critical magnetic field at absolute 0 temperature, it means 0 Kelvin. And T here, T it shows the given operating temperature, and TC here critical transition temperature of the sample. Here this is sample. So now solve this question according to the given data which is given in this question. So what is the critical temperature which is given here? TC, which is equals to 7.2 Kelvin. And what is the critical magnetic field at 0 temperature, which is H of C at 0, which is equals to 6.5 into 10 to the power 4 ampere per meter. And what is the given operating temperature, which is 4 Kelvin. So T equals to 4 Kelvin, and we need to find the critical magnetic field at temperature T, which is 4 Kelvin. So we need to find the HC at 4 Kelvin temperature. We need to find this one. So now put all the values in this expression. So H of C is nothing but the critical magnetic field at 4 temperature equal to, what is the critical magnetic field at 0 temperature, which is 6.5 into 10 to the power 4. So 6.5 into 10 to the power 4, here 1 minus, what is our given operating temperature, which is 4 Kelvin. So 4 divided by, and critical transition temperature is 7.2, this is whole square. Now first we solve this expression, which is 4 by 7.2. Now remove the LCM, it will come 40. So 40 by 72, this cancel 20 times, 36, this is 10, and this is 18, this is 5, and this is 9. So our expression reduce 5 by 9. So now critical magnetic field at 4 temperature, which is equals to, this is 6.5 into 10 to the power 4, and this is 1 minus, our reduced expression is 5 by 9 whole square. So first solve this one. 1 minus, this is 25 by 81. So 81 minus 25 by 81. So when you solve it, you will get 56 by 81 after subtracting the 1. So now our critical temperature at 4 Kelvin becomes 6.5 into 10 to the power 4 into multiply with this is 56 by 81. So when you further solve it, you will get critical temperature at 4 Kelvin equals to 4.493827 into 10 to the power 4 ampere per meter. So this is nothing but our critical magnetic field at temperature T, which is equals to 4. So like that you have to solve in the examination to get the full marks. First to write the statement of the given expression. After that you have to declare the term which is given in this question, and then you put all the values in the main expression. If you want these notes, Telegram link is given in the description box. You go and check from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.